ask you to represent them, it's a fairly simple choice.
Would you be seeing you only in the still ads, or you having some video ads also coming?
Do you know, man?
No, I'm just hoping. It happens in my dream every day. I don't know when you all get to see it on TV.
Okay. No, at the moment, I think we just did a still shoot. Any plans for a film? Apparently, there are plans for a film as well. Sameer says.
Saif and Karim, this question to both of you all. Like, a lot of people like wants to go into your shoes, but then कभी आपने ऐसा सोचा है, maybe any point of time, कि I want to be in that particular person's shoes, कभी? And who is that person?
Yes. Would you like to answer this?
No, मैंने तो पहले ही कहा कि I want to be in Metro shoes. I don't want to be in anybody else's shoes.
Started with that. So did our host. No, not really. Some very fleetingly, but not for very long. Quite happy in my own shoes.
Sorry to cut you. जैसे कि करीना ने कहा, can you see my hand, sir? Thank you so much. जैसे कि करीना ने कहा कि जैसे ही मेट्रो ने उन्हें अप्रोच किया एज ए एम्बेसडर बनाने के लिए, ब्रांड एम्बेसडर बनाने के लिए, उन्होंने हाँ कर दी क्योंकि आप उसका हिस्सा हैं एज ए कपल. आपका पहला रिएक्शन क्या था? क्या करीना को ही चाहते थे एज ए कपल या किसी और को? एज ए ब्रांड एम्बेसडर सर, आपका what was your first reaction when they told you'll be chosen as a brand ambassador as a couple with Kareena?
I said they should get someone who's pretty and young and yeah. No, I was obviously very happy and excited.
Kareena, what's your view on this, on his comment?
My view is that I'm just what did you say, Saif? Yeah.
Very happy and excited.
Yeah, we're both very happy and excited.
And to add to this question, have you all decided only to couple get henceforth in any other, when you want to be a brand ambassador?
See, we want to be brand ambassadors for many things, but they also should want us to be brand ambassadors. Is an important part of that equation. We're happy to work together, but it should be, I think, in the right dose. And, the audience shouldn't get fed up, which is quite easy to do with celebrity couples, because the press is sometimes so kind in their coverage. It seems like we are right now, in a way. But, yeah, I think we've answered that question so often. Maybe you should answer it.
I just did that the whole day.
The whole day. Haji? Yeah, I know, it's been a while. We have not appeared. I think that's why they're having a press conference with us together. It's a unique thing today, but... Not at the moment, sir. We have caught up with our present commitments in our careers.
Sorry? In life? Oh my God, but that has nothing to do with shoes, so maybe another time, not now. I actually don't remember, but it's not the cost that really matters. I think what is really comfortable and basically what looks good is the most important criterion. Well, of course, I wouldn't mind if Metro gave me a pair of the gold shoes. They haven't yet given it. They took it back after the still shoot, so send it home.
I think sneakers, as long as they're comfortable shoes, they should be right for the occasion. I think I've given her more shoes than she's given me. I think. Yeah. Apparently it's not very good to give each other shoes.